Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss molecular orbital theory (MOT). This is very important for NEET IIT JEE. Various type of questions come based on this particular topic. Now first is bond order, second is bond length, third is bond strength, fourth is stability, fifth is paramagnetic or diamagnetic nature, sixth is exist or non-exist, and sixth is electron at which orbital. So this topic is most important. Bond order calculate bond length, bond strength, stability, paramagnetic or diamagnetic, exist or non-exist, and electron at which orbital. We know molecular orbital theory, atomic orbital combine to form molecular orbital. Suppose two atomic orbital combine to form two molecular orbital, three atomic orbital combine to form three molecular orbital. So half is bonding and another half is anti-bonding. Suppose one atomic orbital and one atomic orbital, two atomic orbital to form two molecular orbital, half is molecular orbital, half is bonding and another half is anti-bonding. This is anti-bonding, this is bonding. So bonding molecular orbital is stable compared to more stable compared to anti-bonding molecular orbital. So this is less stable. So this is the energy order, this is more stable, so less energy. This is anti-bonding, so this is higher energy, so this is less stable. So bonding molecular orbital more stable and anti-bonding molecular orbital less stable. Now what is bonding molecular orbital? Bonding molecular orbital, this is sigma pi. So bonding molecular orbital sigma pi, and anti-bonding molecular orbital means sigma star, pi star. This is what is sigma? Sigma is formed, suppose s orbital we know this spherical shape in nature. Suppose this is positive and another this is positive. Positive means same page, not the sign. This is positive means this is same page. So two same page combine to form the another orbital. This is bonding molecular orbital. This is bonding molecular orbital. This is nucleus. This is bonding molecular orbital. To form combined form. And this is wave function. This is psi 1, psi 2. This wave function to form psi equal to psi 1 plus psi 2. So this is the combination form. Suppose this is nucleus, this is positive, and this nucleus, this is negative. So this is different phase. Different phase is repulsion or subtraction, this value. So there is one is positive and repulsion is there. So another is negative. So this is anti-bonding form. So this is bonding, psi bonding. This is psi anti-bonding. This is sigma star. This is sigma star. So psi equal to psi 1 minus psi 2, subtraction. P orbital, suppose P orbital dumbbell shape. So P orbital, this is positive, this is negative. Suppose this is negative, this is positive. So negative, this is combination, the same page. So combine to form one is negative and another two are positive. So this is the bonding molecular orbital form. So this is sigma bonding. Now in lateral overlap, suppose this is positive, this is negative, and this is positive, this is negative, to form the same page and this is same page to form the bonding pi orbital. So this is positive and this is negative. So this is the pi bonding. But this different in sign. Suppose this is positive, negative, and here is negative and positive. So this is repulsion is there. So this is the form. Suppose this type. Repulsion is there. So this is positive, this is negative, and this negative, this positive. So this is pi anti-bonding. Now the tricks is that if less than equal to 14 electron, less than equal to 14 electron, 14 or 13 and less than, so this the molecular orbital is sigma 1s, sigma 1 star, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2p y equal to pi 2p z, sigma 2px pi star 2p y equal to pi star 2p z, and sigma star 2px. So remember this thing and you can calculate any type of question. And greater than 14 electron, now greater than equal to 14 electron, so sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, and pi, this is change, sigma first, so sigma 2px, then pi 2py, pi 2pz, and pi star similar, pi star 2py equal to pi star 2pz, sigma star 2px. So this is same, first sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma star sigma 2s and sigma star 2s, this is same, but in pi 2py and pi 2pz, in case of less than equal to 14 electron, this is front side and this is middle side in case of greater than equal to 14 electron. Remember this thing. Now bond order, calculate bond order equal to half into bonding electron minus anti-bonding electron. So half into bonding electron minus anti-bonding electron. This is the bond order calculate. Now the tricks is that bond order calculate easy tricks is 8 electron, 9 electron, 10 electron, 11 electron, 12 electron, 13 electron, 14 electron, 15 electron, 16 electron, 17 electron, 18 electron, 19 electron, and 20 electron. Now the tricks is that this is 0 point bond order, this is 0.00, this is 0.5 and 10, this is 1.0, 0.5 increase down the side, this is 1.5, 12, this is 2.0, this is 2.5, and 14, this is 3.0. 14 is the maximum bond order, this is 3.0, and 15 electron, this is 2.5 and this is 2.0, 17, this is 1.5, 9, 18, this is 1.0, 19, this is 0.5, and 20, this is 0.0 bond order. So 8, this is 0.5, 0.0, 9, 0.5, and down the side this is 0.5 increase, and 3 up to 3, this is maximum bond order. Now 15, this is decrease the 0.5 bond order. So this is the tricks. Now bond order proportional to stability. Bond order increase, stability increase, and proportional to bond strength. Bond order increase, bond strength increase, and stability increase. But bond order proportional to 1 by bond length. Bond order increase, bond length decrease, or bond length increase, bond order decrease. This is the order. Now in bond order equal to, suppose 1, this is single bond, this is single bond is there. Bond order equal to 2 means this is double bond. Bond order equal to 3, this is triple bond. Now bond order equal to 0 does not exist in nature, does not exist. This is exist because this is single bond, double bond, triple bond, this is exist, and bond order equal to 0 does not exist. Remember this thing. Bond order proportional to stability increase, bond order increase, stability increase, bond strength increase, or bond order increase, bond length decrease. Now question, which one of the following pairs species have the same bond order? O2 NO plus CN minus CO, N2 O2 minus CO and NO. Bond order calculation tricks I have already discussed. So first calculate total electron count. So in case of first option O2 and NO plus. O2, this is O plus O combined, 8 electron, there is 8 electron is there. So total in O2 this is 16 electron is there. So we know 14 electron, this is maximum 3 bond order, 15 electron, this is 2.5 decrease, 16 electron, this is 2.0 bond order. Now here is 16 electron, this is 2.0 bond order. Now in case of NO plus, nitrogen having 7 electron and oxygen having 8 electron, and 1 positive charge means 1 electron remove. So total this is 14 electron. So bond order 14 electron bond order equal to 3. 3 bond order. This is 2.0, this is 3, so there is different bond order. Now option B is Cn minus and CO. Cn minus, carbon having 6 electron and nitrogen having 7 electron, and 1 negative charge means 1 added electron. So total 14 electron. So this is 3.0 bond order. Now in case of CO, this is 6 electron in carbon and oxygen having 8 electron. So total 14 electron is there. So bond order equal to 3.0 bond order. So there is same bond order is there. So option B is the right answer. Which one of the following species does not exist under normal condition? Option Be2 plus, option B Be2, beryllium 2, this is boron 2 and lithium 2. Now does not exist means bond order equal to 0. So calculate bond order in case of beryllium 2 plus. So beryllium having 4 electron is there, 1 beryllium 4 electron, 2 beryllium, this is 8 electron and 1 positive charge, 1 electron remove. So total this is 7 electron. So 7 electron first fill up sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s1. So bond order equal to half into bonding electron minus anti-bonding electron, equal to half into bonding electron. There is 1 2 sigma, there is 4 electron and there is 3 anti-bonding. This star, this is anti-bonding, so 3 anti-bonding. So this is the 1 by 2, this is 0.5 bond order. But bond order having 0.5 this is exist, but in case of beryllium 2 there is 8 electron is there. 8 electron means sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. So bond order equal to half into bonding electron minus anti-bonding electron, equal to half into there is 2 to 4 electron and 4. So there is 0 by 2 equal to 0. So 0, bond order 0 means does not exist. In beryllium 2 does not exist, but beryllium 2 plus is exist. So option B is the right answer. Which of the following has the minimum bond length? Minimum bond length. Option O2 plus, option B O2 minus, O2 2 minus and O2. Now we know bond order proportional to 1 by bond length. Bond order increase, bond length decrease. So first electron, total electron. So O2 plus, this is 15 electron is there. O2 minus, this is 17 electron is there. O2 having 16 electron and O2 2 minus having 18 electron. Now bond order in case of 15 electron, this is 2.5. So this is 1.5 and O2 minus, this is 18 electron, this is 1.0 and 16 electron, this is 2.0. Now order of bond order. Bond order, this is 2.5 is higher, so O2 plus greater than O2 greater than 1.5 O2 minus greater than O2 2 minus. So bond length order reverse. First O2 2 minus, maximum O2 2 minus greater than O2 minus greater than O2 greater than O2 plus. So this is the least bond length. This is least bond length. So minimum bond length. So question is minimum bond length. So option A is the right answer. During change of O2 to O2 minus ion, the electron adds on which one of the following orbitals? Pi star orbital, pi orbital, sigma orbital or sigma star orbital or sigma orbital. Now in case of O2 this is 16 electron species. So sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. So first sigma 2px 2, pi 2py 2, pi 2pz2. Now then pi star 2py1 and pi star 2pz1 and sigma 2px0. Now this is 16 electron species. Now in case of O2 minus, electron added, O2 1 electron added to form O2 minus, 17 electron species. So same, this is same, and sigma 2py star 2 equal to sigma star 2pz1 and sigma 2px0. This is pi 2py2 and pi star 2pz1. So electron added in pi star orbital. So this is pi star orbital. So option A is the right answer. Which of the following is paramagnetic? So paramagnetic checks, first calculate total electron count in O2 minus. I previous discussed O2 minus equal to 17 electron. This is sigma star 2p y2 and sigma star 2p z1. So this is one unpaired electron is there, one unpaired electron is there. So paramagnetic means unpaired electron is there, unpaired electron present in paramagnetic. In diamagnetic case there is pair of electron. Now in case of Cn minus, suppose Cn minus having carbon having 6 electron and nitrogen having 7 electron and one negative charge means 1 electron added. So total 14 electron. So first sigma 1s2 sigma star 1s2 in sigma 2s2 sigma star 2s2. Then added pi 2p y2 and pi 2p z2. This is 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and then sigma 2p z2. So here is so total are pair of electron. So this is the diamagnetic in nature, and others check NO plus and CO minus, all are diamagnetic, but O2 minus is paramagnetic. There is unpair of electron. So option D is the right answer. So next day I will discuss more important topic. So please stay with me and like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you.